Hi everyone, we're here today at the Wolkow Braker World Headquarters, right? And we are here with a really new, interesting technology that we're excited to talk about. It's the Nanoshield roof coating. I'd like to introduce some people here today that are going to talk about the product.
Right, yeah, well, good morning, everybody. My name is Carrie Horizak, the Chief Commercial Officer for Nanotech Materials of Coating. We're here today in New York with our premier application partners, Wolkow Braker, and we're here to demonstrate our cool roof coating product on an EPDM style roof. Our coating works standard reflective technology, just like the SRI score in the industry. But we're actually here today to introduce an industry breakthrough component, which is our insulative ceramic particle, which actually puts a physical barrier on the roof itself to stop heat transfer through the substrate into the building. And through that, we're actually able to demonstrate pretty unprecedented energy savings for our clients nationwide. So we're here today to demonstrate it for our Wolkow Braker team here on their own roof.
Yeah, I'm Nate Bartelli, Chief Operating Officer at Wolkow Braker Roofing, and we've set up a little mock-up here on our 60 mil black EPDM roof that's relatively new. A little dirty. We had the guys up here power washing and priming yesterday. We're set up. We did the pool test earlier and passed flying colors, and now we're getting ready to open a can and start the application. So we're going to pull this fully coated fleece on this power washed and primed black EPDM. 22, 25. Look at that. All right, it's secured 12 hours.
What's it at?
We're at 20, 22, 27, 28.
Pretty good.
28.
Fabric,
Yeah.
Just open the can of the cool roof coating. As you can see, it's white. We're going to mix it in a second with this. We have a heavy duty drill here with a paddle mixer on it. But it's a consistency of a paint. High solid content, which as Carrie mentioned, will provide that physical barrier for to really block the heat transfer through the roof. Even though we do have a little bit of insulation here, we're still getting readings pretty high in the ceiling that we will demonstrate from the data loggers that we pulled the data from. But the guys are going to go ahead and mix this up, get it in a small bucket, and we're going to start flashing this curve over here.
Now, is there any odor, any smell?
I don't smell anything from this distance. I'm about 6 feet 7 inches.
Yeah.
And I don't smell anything from here.
I don't smell anything either. So as we all know, the most important part of any kind of roofing is, of course, surface preparation, right? We prime the waterproofing, but then of course we want to hit it with the leaf blower. Any kind of dust and dirt, get rid of it.
Yeah,
right? One of the worst things you could do is like put a coating over anything dirty, because then you have a bond breaker and it's not going to stick. So we want to make sure it's nice and clean.
And in this case in particular, we power wash, as you can see in the other area, a little bit dirty. We removed any surface contaminants, and then we primed this with a standard EPDM primer wash. And again, we did a full test before and passed the flying colors.
So we always want to start with our flashings first.
Put a little closer so it doesn't do too much drips.
What do we have here? What's the nav?
So this is about a 9-inch roller, and the thickness of this particular one is about 3/8 thick. So I'll be able to grab a little bit more product.
Now, this product can be sprayed, but it's a little windy today, so we're going to go with the roller. So we're going to do a little wet mill gauge test here. We're going for between 24 and 26, which is 25. All right, so we're going to check it. Give it a little checky check. Okay, and now if you look, you can see how the 26 has some paint on it. Even the 28, slightly heavy, not the 30. So he's doing it right exactly where we want it to be. We have a thermal camera here, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a temperature reading of the surface temperature of the uncoated roof and then the coated roof. And we're only about less than 10 minutes into the demonstration. So I'm showing 133 on the black EPDM, right? And give it a second to adjust. 95, 94, 92, 93. So we have see it's 89. I mean, it's going down. My hand's barely moving. 91. And then right here, 130. So we have, who's good at math? A 40-degree difference. 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. So like over there, 85, 88, 86, and you go here, 75. So easily 10 degrees, easily.
In 30 minutes. My name is Mike. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Nanotech Materials, and we're just very excited and proud to be partnering with an established firm here, Wolkow Braker, to tackle the New York energy roofing market. So we wanted to partner with them because they have the strongest brand here, and we have a great technology, and we think it's going to be something that's a game changer for New York and the greater area to reduce energy consumption. Instead of replacing your roof, you can remediate it, and also lowering the carbon emissions, especially around the tax laws here in New York and the energy laws here in New York. So we're super excited to be partnering with you, Nate, and can't wait to get started.
Great. Thanks, Mike.
Yep.
We believe in these guys. It's a really cool technology. We get to utilize some of our great skill sets. And there's a real need for it around here. Especially here in the summer now, we're looking forward to lowering the temperatures inside buildings, reducing energy costs, and rocking and rolling with Cool Roof as we go.
The other really important factor here in New York is Local Law 97. One of the ways to reduce energy consumption is to replace your roof. But with this technology, we believe that we can postpone a roof replacement because the amount of energy savings that you will see is going to be worth coating the roof instead of replacing it, which would be a very large savings for building owners.